Hello, everybody. Welcome to study our course called Native Architecture. In this lesson 46, we will study the network service discovery test. So, in the last lesson, we have studied the service. We study how to what's the concept of the service and how to create a service. We have known that the service is an abstract way to expose an application running on a set of ports as a network service. So in this lesson, we will do some tests about the service. So we will scale down our deployment to two replicas, and so we will see how the traffic will be routed. So here because we use the kubectl to get what the deployer. So we can say we have Nginx deployer with three replicated pods. So now we can also use the kubectl svc and the Nginx deployer service. Okay, so we can use the curl and with the port 80 we can this. So we can we use curl to get the homepage of the Nginx server because we have created a service for this deployment and the traffic will route to the second pod. So we can here also the second pod and the first routed to the first pod, the second, first, or maybe three. Okay, now we can see that the traffic is routed toward the three pods. Now we use the kubectl to scale down the loads to three replicate pods. So we can use this scale. Yes, we can scale the replicas of the Nginx deployer to two pods. So we use the curl to get the output of the Nginx server. So now we can the scaled successfully and we get the pods. We can show that yes, we can get that there are two Nginx deployer pods, and also it is scaled down to 2. So now we use the curl to we will see what will happen. See the 222, 333, 222 because the first pod is removed. So now there are just 2 pods to receive the traffic. Okay, and so we can say that the the service is okay, and now we just scale the deployment Nginx deploy to 3. So to 3, okay. Yeah. Now because now we can see that the Nginx deployer is scaled up to 3. Okay, so now the pods of the deployment is 3. Get pods. Okay, now we can see that a new pod is created and added to the deployment. Now we can also use the curl to get the Nginx output. Now we can see that this is the default output of the Nginx server of the new added pods because the the image of the new added pod is the Nginx. We didn't modify the homepage of this Nginx Nginx server. Okay, so it may okay. We can also use the car. Now the 222, the second 333. Now the also this output is the new added Nginx port. So in this lesson, we have do this test to show that the this service discovery mechanism of the service, it will distribute what the it will distribute the service will distribute what the traffic to the pods that belong to the department. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.